You can all say the repeat after me. Sadashivasamarambham Shankaracharyamadhyamam Asmadacharyaparyantam Vande Guruparamparam Shrutismritipurananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavatpada Shankaram Lokashankaram Apara Karunamurtim Jnanadam Shantarupinam Shri Chandrasekhara Gurum Jayanitam Aharnisham. Sarvesham Swagatam. Now we will begin the class with the Subhashitam that I had shared the other day. You can see it now on the screen, I suppose. So, can you see all of you the Subhashitam? I will repeat it today and I will also explain the meaning. Subhashitam. All of you can see share the screen, I suppose. Okay. Bhashitam. Bhashitam. Okay, that's a saying. The thing which has been said. And what kind of a saying? So Bhashitam. A good saying. A moral. And we all know our Bharata Desham is very famous for one very popular saying. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. அது எந்த சுபாஷிதம்ல வருதுன்னு இப்ப நம்ம அதை பார்க்க போறோம். You can repeat after me after I say the first pada, second pada, third pada and the fourth pada. Ayam nija paro veti ganana laghu chetasam udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. I repeat, and you also can repeat after me. Ayam nija paro veti ganana laghu chetasam udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Meaning is, Ayam nijaha, paro veti, ayam. They have just learned a few days back, ayam. Ayam learned about so this. Ayam nijaha. Number எல்லாருக்கும் normally human beings tendency in that, this is mine. This belongs to me. Ayam nijaha. This is mine. He is mine. It is mine. And paro va iti. Paraha. Or this is somebody else's. Paraha va iti. Or it is somebody else's. This is mine. Or paro va iti. Iti ganana. Iti chintanam. இது மாதிரியான எண்ணங்கள், இது மாதிரியான thoughts. யாருக்கு வரும்? Who gets it? Laghuchetasam. Whose mind is very narrow. Who have narrow-minded thinking. Those who are narrow-minded people. Those people only say, Ayam nijaha paraha. இது என்னோடது, அது அவனுடையது. அப்படின்னு சொல்ற சிந்தனம், கணனா, லகோயதசாம். Narrow-minded people only get this. Whereas, udara charitanam tu, those who are very broad-minded, generous, what do they say? Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva. Vasudha eva. Vasudhana, the world. Vishwa. The whole world is my family. Vasudha eva kutumbakam. The whole world is their own family. Which is an excellent thinking, an excellent concept. Now we all talk about global relation. Abdullah Misroya, that that thought, that chintanam is in our tradition from thousands of years back, where we say, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Ayam Veshaha Paro Veti Ganana Laghujetasam. Udara Charitanam Tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I hope you all understood. So like this, every time we will learn one new Subhashitam, and it will be very nice to see this, isn't it? Okay. Now, we will go to our Bala Darshaha. Okay. We will go to the Bala Darshaha and see which lesson we were reading, and I am going to share it to the screen. Shraddhaha Pathaha Parchimrado, and then we will continue with that. Before that, I want you to write a few words which we have already learned, and let us see how we are going to do that. Okay? Alright. Now, I hope you are able to see this. Okay. You are able to see the shared document? All of you? Fine. If you are not able to see the Samskrita Bala Darshaha on your screen, you always have the book with you, you can see it. Now, I want you to write down something, which is, even by idam tadalla pacholya, I want to text you. So let us see how you are able to pick out the correct word. Alright. Now, the first word is, write Padaha. Now go the word, right? Padaha. Padaha. Okay. Now with this word, use the idam shabda rupam in all the three vachanam, in all the three numbers. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Padaha. But I am not saying which linga. You have to decide. You have to think. Padaha. How is the word? Varshaha, Gajaha, Ajaha, Padmadri, Padaha. So, idam shabda, which word you will use in Ekavachanam Padaha? Have you all written? Ayam Padaha. Correct? Very nice. Now, Dvivachanam, what you will write? Ayam Singendago Padahala. Ayam. What you will get? Imau. Appa Padaha will change to Padau. Imau Padau. And in the Bahuvachanam, what you will write? Padaha. Appo Imau will become Ime Padaha. Understand? Alright, so you are able to write it. Ayam Padaha, Imau Padau, Ime Padaha. Alright, now I will give you another word. Let us see. Uma. Uma. Use the idam shabda rupam in all the three vachanam. Idam shabda for Uma. Uma is Ennalinga shabdam. Uma, Lata, Mala, Bala. How? Idam Lainavarum. Iyam. Iyam Uma. Ekavachanam. Dvivachanam. Let us see whether you are able to write. Iyam will change to, in Dvivachanam, what it will change? Ume. Ume, and Uma will change to Ume. I hope all of you got it right. And now Bahuvachana. Bahuvachana. Idam Shabda Strilinga Bahuvachana minna Imaha. And Uma will change to Umaha. Got it? Now, one more step. One more word. Kamalam. Use the Idam Shabda for these three. Kamalam. What kind of a word? I'll give you a hint. Napumsakalingam. So, Idam Napumsakalingam Ekavachanam in there. What is that? You got it? You wrote it as it's supposed? Idam Kamalam. Now, Dvivachanam. Napumsakalingam. What it will become? Write it. Idam, Aprenavaru, Dvivachanam, Eme, and Kamalam will change to Kamale. And now Bahuvachanam. Idam, Napumsakalinga, Bahuvachanam. All of you got it? Imani. And Kamalam will change to Bahuvachanam, Kamalani. Got it? Very nice. Now, for another three set of words, you use the Shabda, Tati Shabda Rupa. Shall we try? Okay. I will give you one Shabda, Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha. Use Tati Shabda Rupam in all the three Vachanam, like how you did for Idam Shabda. Let's see how you are able to write. Vrikshaha. Use Tati Shabda Rupam. Tati Shabda Rupam. You are able to write? So, Ekavachanam in the Vrikshaha, which lingam? You all understood? I am Vrikshaha. Good. Dvivachanam, Imau, Vrikshaha will change to, Saha is a Sat Shabda, so we use Saha Vrikshaha. That same Idam Shabda was in my mind. Now I change to Tad. So we change to Tad. Saha Vrikshaha. Dvivachanam, Tau Vrikshau. And Bahuvachanam, Te Vriksha. Saha Tau Te. Now let us see. I am going to give you another word. You learned recently in the last lesson. Kasha. Kasha. Do you remember the meaning? Shakatikaha. Kashaya. Pachilya. So, Kasha. Ennalinga Shabdam. You understand? Now use Tati Shabda Rupam along with this. What you will get in Ekavachanam? Sa Kasha. Dvivachanam. Write it if you know. Te. Kasha will change to Kashe. Bahuvachanam. Sate. Taha. And Kasha will change to Kasha. So, Sa Kasha, Te Kashe, Taha Kasha. Got it? Now let's try one more word, which is Shakatam. I'm using the words which I've learned. Shakatam. Tati Shabda Rupam Enavaru, if you join Ekavachanam, Takkane Jillami, Tat Shakatam. Dvivachanam, Tat Enavaru, Te. Te Shakate. Bahuvachanam, Tani Shakatani. I hope all of you understood Idam in all the three lingam and in all the three vachanam. Similarly, Tati Shabda Rupam in all the three lingam and in all the three vachanam. Similarly, every day practice one word in each lingam using Idam and using Tati Shabda. Is it clear to you? Alright. Now I want you to write. We learned Gachati, Gachataha, Gachanti, which is in present tense. We call present tense as Yat Lakaraha. Correct? And we call the present tense as Vartamana Kala. Now you write in all the three Purushaha and in all the three Vachanam, Pathadatu. Reading. Patha. Pathati. I'm going to wait for 1 minute till you finish it. Then I will say. Okay? Like gachati, gachata, gachanti, ade madri, pat is the verb. And what did I say? Pat, road, which is called in Sanskrit as dhatu. Dhatu. So yes, gacha dhatu. And here pat dhatu. And expand it in Vartamana Kalaha. How will you write? Pathati, pathatah, pathanti, pathasi, pathatah, pathatha, pathami, pathavah, pathamah. Yes. All of you wrote it? Alright. Now what I am going to ask you now is, you have got that pathadhatu in Vartamana Kalaha in front of you written. Now, this is the Prathama Purushaha, pathati, pathatah, pathanti. Use a karta in this and make a sentence. For example, first Purushaha, Prathama Purushaha, ekavachanam, pathati. Kaha pathati? Right there. Balakaha pathati. You can write balikaha pathati also. And then balakaha pathati, balakau pathataha, balakaha pathanti in one line. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Balakaha pathati, balakau pathataha, balakaha pathanti. Written. Now Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha. Who will be the doer? The karta. Fixed karta. No need to change. You cannot change. I will write balakaha, I will write balika. No. Madhyama Purusha fixed. So how you make the sentence? Started. That pathati. Enavaru. What will come? Tvam pathati. Yuvam pathatha. Yuyam pathatha. Written in one line. Now, Uttama Purushaha. Here again, the karta is fixed. The doer is fixed. Who is that? Aham. So write it. Aham pathami. Avam patavaha. Vayam pathamah. Right? You wrote it pathadhatu. Now, I am giving you one more dhatu. Now I will teach what. You have to write like this only. Nam dhatu. Nam. Nam means to do namaskar. So, gachati, pathati. In the similarly, what you will do for nam dhatu? You understood? So, write in all the three Purusha along with the karta. Any karta. It could be balakaha. It could be Purushaha. It could be Ramaha. Anything. It could be Acharyaha. Okay? So, shall we start? Namati, namata, namanti. Namasi, namatha, namatha. Namami, namavaha, namamaha. Correct? Now along with the karta, how will you write? Which is the first Purusha, Prathama Purusha, in the karta is the phrase. You will write Purushaha, you can write Acharyaha, you can write Ramaha, Putraha, Putraha, you can write. So, Putraha namati, Putrau namataha, Putraha namanti. Madhyama Purusha I am not going to say. You know. Karanamati. Karanamati. Obligatory. Madhyama Purusha. Fixed karta. So what you finished? Madhyama Purusha. Now write the Uttama Purusha. Again fixed karta. You know who is that? Uttama Purusha. So shall I say the Madhyama Purusha? Tvam namasi. Yuvam namatha. Yuyam namatha. Similarly, Uttama Purushaha, Aham namami, Aham namavaha, Vayam namamaha. Understand? Similarly, two we have done as example. Now what you are going to do? You are going to write two more dhatu like this. It could be gacha, it could be tishtha. At home and send me the homework. Now you got it? Excellent. Now, Mohanaji asked me a doubt. Bala. Ime Bala. I am Momo Ime. Now I want to tell you one thing. In the Bala Shabda, Rinda Linga Pullinga, Strilinga, Rendu use Panda. There is a difference. Bala, Strilinga. A girl. Balika, Madri Bala. The same word, a small boy. Balaha. Balaha is for Pullinga Shabda. So when you use Balaha, it denotes Pullinga. Saha Balaha, Tau Balau, Te Balaha, Ayam Balaha, Imau Balau, Ime Balaha. So, if you take it as Balaha, Pullinga, then Bahuvachanam becomes Ime Balaha. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take the Bala as Strilinga. So, Balaha changes to Bala. So, Idam Shabda Rupam Lepti Varu, Iyam Bala, Ime Bale, Imaha Bala. So if you see, Imaha Bala, that means Bala is taken as a Strilinga. If you see Ime Balaha, then we have taken Balaha Shabda, which is Pullinga and in Bahuvachana. Understand? So Balaha, Pullinga. Bala, Strilinga. Balakaha, Pullinga. Balika, Strilinga. Is it clear to you, Mohanaji and others? Very nice. Now, we learned Idam, Sadi Shabda Rupam, Apravartamana Kalatla, Dhatu Rupam, and we are now learning, in the process of learning, the noun Nama Padani, Sarvanama Padani, which are not Kriya. Adodu Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. Very good. I will do a revision for that and then we will go ahead. Like how in Kriya Padam, you have a format, you say Vartamana Kalaha, present tense, and you write it in three Purusha. Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Right? Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Similarly, we have in the Lakara Vilama, Lakaraha, Latlakaraha, Vartamana Kalaha, presented for Kriya Padam, for verb. Similarly, we have a format for Nama Padam, for nouns, for pronoun, which is called Shabda Rupa. Shabda Rupa. Adilada, Sapta Vibhaktaya. There are 7 Vibhakti. Okay, we have learned Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti, how did we learn? You can write now. What I say, you can write. Now, we take first the example of Pullinga Shabda. Let us take one Pullinga Shabda. Ramaha. Ramaha Pullinga Shabda, isn't it? So, we write Prathama Vibhakti. You need not write Prathama Pulli. Pra-vi. You can write like that. Pra-vi. Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. Now put a dash and write. Ramaha. Ramau in one line. Ramaha. Ramau. Ramaha. This is the Prathama Vibhakti. And when do we use Prathama Vibhakti? When the doer is there. Who is? Kaha. Kaha Padhati. Ramaha Padhati. Kau Padhatau. Ramau Padhatau. Ke Padhanti. Ramaha Padhanti. Who? Kaha. Prathama Vibhakti we use. When the same Ramaha becomes not the doer, not the karta, but he becomes the karma, he becomes the object. So how will the Rupam be? Now Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvi and Dvi. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Short. What do we say? Ramam. Ramaha became Ramam. So below that you can write Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Nala Halal Raman. For example, Krishna Pashyati. Krishna kam Pashyati. Pashyati sees. Krishna Ramam Pashyati. Krishna Ramam Pashyati. Krishna sees Rama. So here Rama becomes the object to be seen. So Dvitiya Vibhakti. Ramam. If it is two, Ramam. If it is many, Raman. Got it, Dvitiya Vibhakti? Now, the third one. Ramena. Ramena. Shakatena Panolya. Ramena. Pushpena. Ramena. Ramabhyam. You wrote Chakrabhyam, Padabhyam. Similarly. Ramena. Ramabhyam. Ramaihi. Ramaihi. Understand? So, Tritiya Vibhakti varike number pacham. But this is regarding the Pullinga Shabda Rama. I will read all the three Vibhakti now. Okay? You keep it in one page. Okay? Rama, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Ramena, Ramabhya, Ramaihi. So how many Vibhakti we learn? Three. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. And in all the three Vachana. And which meaning we use, where do we use, that also we learn. Right? Now in the next page you write, Ide Madri, Moonu Vibhaktila, we take an example of a Strilinga Shabda. Let us take Lata. Lata Strilinga, right? Simple. So we will take Lata. So Prathama Vibhakti. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. How do we write? Lata, Prathama Vibhakti. Lata, Late, Lata. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. And you know when you use Prathama Vibhakti in what context? Isn't it? So, Lata, Late, Lata. Dvitiya Vibhakti. When the Lata becomes an object, karma. Latam, Latam, Late, Lataha. This is the Dvitiya. Lata, Late, Lataha, Prathama. Dvitiya, Latam, Late, Lataha. Understand? Now, Tritiya. There you use in English like we say by or with. By or with. With the Lata. By a Lata. In that meaning. Okay. How do we say? Lata becomes Lataya. We learned there, right? Lataya. Again, Naukaya. Nauka, Lata. So, Naukaya, Lataya. So, Tritiya. Lataya, Ekavachanam. Dvivachanam, Latabhyam. And Bahuvachanam, listen clearly. Latabhihi. Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhihi. Understand? So we learned now Pullinga, Moonu Vibhakti. Strilinga, Moonu Vibhakti. Now in the next you will see Napumsakalinga. This is very simple because Prathama and Dvitiya are same and Tritiya onwards it will go like Pullinga only. For example, we will take the example of Shakatam because you all know it, yeah? So I am taking Shakatam. Shakatam is Napumsakalinga. So Prathama Vibhakti, how it will be? Shakatam, Shakatena, Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. Pushpam Pushpe, Pushpani. Patram Patre, Patrani. Pacholya, Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Pacholya, same way. Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. Prathama. Napumsakalinga. So Prathama, Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. Dvitiya again, Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. Understand? Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. Now Tritiya, it will go like Pullinga only. So Pullinga inna padichonu Ramahala, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramayhi. Here it will be Shakatena, Shakatabhyam, Shakataihi. Shakatena. Inga na varadu. I told you that illa ra irukuduna na irukku. Inga ra illa. So Shakatena, na rendu cheyinga mani. Shakatena, Shakatabhyam, Shakataihi. So these three are the Pullinga Shabda Rupam, Strilinga Shabda Rupam, Napumsakalinga Shabda Rupam in all the three vibhakti. And how many total vibhaktis we have, I told you? Sapta vibhaktaya. There are 7 vibhaktis. Okay? So today in Shashta Pataha. See, we learned in the Shashta Pataha Tritiya vibhakti. Right? I have displayed it in the screenshot. How did we learn? Shakatena, Naukaya, Padabhyam, Chakrabhyam, Hastena, Patya. These things are Tritiya Vibhakti. So Tritiya Lendu nama enna polum ipo? Chaturthi popon. Prathama Vibhakti, Dviya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti we are going to learn. But before going to that, we will see Shashtama Patha on 23rd, Trayovinshati, 23rd page. We did some question answers. Right, I asked you to send the answers. Many of you sent it. Now see here, the second one. Kha. Tada Shabdasya Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata. There are fill in the blanks, just 2 sentences. You have to use which word? Tada Shabda. That is Shabda Rupa. At the beginning of the class itself, I gave you a test, a small test, isn't it? Now use that formula. Dash Navikaha Naukam Kshipati. Dash Navikaha Naukam Kshipati. So in the dash end, the Shabda Rupam we have to use that is Shabda Rupa. So, how will we use that? Navikaha. Navikaha. Navikaha is Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. By looking at the word, so you know, he is Pullinga. So, that Pullinga, what is, and it is Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam. It is Ekavachanam. So, that Ekavachanam Pullinga is Saha. Saha Navikaha Naukam Kshipati. That boatman pushes the boat. Right. Now, second. That Lata Kusumaihi Vilasati. That Lata. Lata. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga decided? Yes. Lata is Strilinga. So, that Lata enna varum Strilinga? Sa. Sa Lata Kusumaihi Vilasati. That climber, creeper, lata, kusumaihi, with flowers, it shines with flowers. With. So, in the vibhakti use pannirko nama, kusumaihi, ipadani padcho, Ramena Ramabhyam, Ramayhi, Kusumena Kusumabhyam, Kusumaihi, with kusumaihi. Understand? Alright. Now see the third one. Lat Rupaihi, ga. Lat Rupaihi. Lat na inna same present. Vartamana kalaha. Okay. Lat Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata. The verbs are given. Dhatu Rupam bracket la they have given. Fill the correct Dhatu Rupam or in the present tense in Lat Rupaha according to who is the doer. Correct? Choose the Kriyapadam. Shall we start? Okay, I gave you 2 examples right in the beginning of the class. Correct? Pat padino, nam padino, according to who the doer is. Right? So, ingi paklama, the first sentence. Ime balaha padabhyam pathalayam dash. You have to use gacha. So, before using this, go to the karta. Who is the karta? Balaha. Now the doubt comes. Balaha Strilingama, Pullingama. I told you, no, Balaha could be. Strilinga, Bala could be. Pullinga, yes. Now see here. Ine Balaha. So, what is this? Ine Bala. So, this is Pullinga Balaha. Why? Because ime, I am, imau, ime. If you take ime as Strilinga Dvivachanam, this should have been Bale. Correct? It is not Bale. It is Balaha. So I understood this is Pullinga Balaha. So, ime Balaha. Pullinga Bahuvachanam. We need not bother about Ingalinga as far as the Kriya Padam is concerned. Kriya Padam remains same for Pullinga and Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. We only see the Vachanam. Balaha, Bahuvachanam. So, Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti. So, what you will write? Ime Balaha. These boys, Padabhyam, by walking. Pathalayam. Pathalayam and Vidyalayam. Gacchanti. There you go. Understood how to match here? Second. Vayam. Vayam. So, who is the Karta? Vayam. Enna Purushaha lavarum. Uttama Purushaha. Enna Vachanam. Bahuvachanam. Vayam. Karnabhyam. Karnabhyam. Shabdam. Karna Vrindapadalino. Shabdam. Akarnayamaha. Padhamaha. Akarnayamaha. It is Kudu Kriya Padam. We can even do it later. I will teach you when we do a little more number of Kriya Padam, we can do. Shrinumaha also we can write. So if you are not able to write that word, no problem. Second we can leave it. The third we can go and see how it is. Just get used to the word. We will write the words later. Okay? Because these are new for you. Okay. The third. Nasikaya. Nasikaya. With nose. Nasika. Nasika. Nose. Nasika. Striling. So with the nose. By the nose. So Tritiya. Lata. Lataya. Nasikaya. Vayam. Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Gandham. Smell. Jigri, Jigrati, smell. Jigrati, Jigrataha, Jigrante. Jigrati, Jigratha, Jigratha. Jigrami, Jigravaha, Jigramaha. Inga Vayamirika, Adanala Jigramaha. Jigramaha. You just listen to it. Writing we can do a little later also. These two words, Akarana and Jigri. Okay? No problem. After learning 2-3 lessons more, we get back to these two Dhatu Rupam. Then we become very familiar. Understand? We go to the easier Dhatu which we have already learned. Now, Bahut, Balakaha, 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 Vidyaya, Balakaha. We take it as Bahuvachanam. Pullinga, Bahuvachanam. Vidyaya, by education only. With education. Vidya, Vidya, Lata, Lataya, Vidyaya. Tritiya Vibhakti. Latu Dhatu. Appo, enna varunga? Lasanti. Lasanti. Balakaha, Vidyaya, Lasanti. Balakaha, Vidyaya, Lasanti. Understand? Lasati, Lasataha, Lasanti. Now, do you know how to do this kind of question? When you have to write the correct form of the word given in the bracket. How will you choose the correct form? You go to see here. Who is the Karta? Which Purushaha? Which Vachana? When you see that, choose the correct form of the verb. Got it? Every day write 2 Dhatu in Latlakara, in Vartamana Kala, in all the positions. Understand? Shall we go to the Saptamaha Pathaha? Okay? Saptamaha. Prathamaha Pathaha. Dutiyaha Pathaha. Tritiyaha Pathaha. Chaturthaha Pathaha. Panchamaha Pathaha. Shasthaha Pathaha. Now, Saptamaha Pathaha. See here, Saptama. Saptama word. Sayukta Aksharam is there. How? Sa, half, and ta. So they have written together. Saptamaha Pathaha. Got it? Now all of you understand, I hope till the Shastha Pathaha. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the WhatsApp group also. When the class is going to get finished, you can write it in chat. I can clear your doubts. Regarding the two Dhatu, Akarna and Jigra, we will keep going one or two lessons more, get used to more dhatu, then we'll come back to it and I will teach you how to write. Is it clear to you? Meanwhile, many dhatu, many kriyapadams we learned till now. But nam, kad, pib, las, gach, adalla every day write two dhatu. Without fail, write it. Then it will become by heart. Okay? Now we start this. Chitram, Prathama Chitram. The first Chitram is Dhenuhu. 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 You know, common Dhenu. You say no common Dhenu. So, Dhenu. Below the Dhenu, you see some word which is related to the Dhenu. Kshiram. Many of you have heard of Kshiram. 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 Is Dukha. Kanukuti. Dhyanuhu Vasa. Dhyanuhu Vasa. Kodandiki Vasa. Even number of Vasa. Adhyayanam. Okay? Study. Education. Adhyayanam. Adhyayanam. Okay. Now let's say Chitram. What do you see? Abhyaha. Gyabhyaha. As usual, we have got some disturbance, no problem. It keeps happening. I will have to sort it out. Now you can hear the audio. Panic? Are you able to hear me now? Yes. All of you are able to hear. Now you can see or share the document. If not, I will share it again with you. You can see you always see the book in front. The book is in front of you. Share the document. Very nice. Now we see the document. I hope all of you are able to share. Okay? All right. Now, okay, 1 minute. All of you, please wait for a couple of seconds. I am joining through my mobile because it is going on getting disconnected through my laptop. So patiently wait for just 2 minutes. I will join through my mobile. Please wait. One minute. Yes, it is happening after every 40 minutes it is happening. So I am trying to use my mobile. I am just trying to connect to my mobile. Please wait. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? You are able to hear me? Yes, thank you very much. So we continue the class now. And you can see your Samskrita Bala Darshaha in front of you. Okay? So you look at your book only. And we will continue the class. Here we were seeing the Saptamaha Pathaha. Okay? Saptamaha Pathaha, where Dhenuhu, Go Mata, Go. Dhenuhu. We are learning about this. Till Shashtaha Pathaha, we learned about the Tritiya Vibhakti. Now we will see some new words here regarding the Chaturthi Vibhakti. I hope you are all able to see me and hear me also. Okay? Alright. Now, Dhenuhu. I am not sharing. So you just see your book in front of you. Saptamaha Pathaha. Dhenuhu. Kshiram. Vatsaha. Adhyayanam. Okay? And the right hand side, Vyaghraha. You are able to hear the word? Vyaghraha. Okay? Vyaghraha. Okay. Aharaha. Aharaha is bhojanam. Aharaha, bhojan. Aharaha. Udyanam. Dya. Dya aksharam we have learned here. Id and ya. Dya. Udyanam. Udyanam sollakudadu. You should not say udyanam. Udyanam. Pathalayaha. Pathalayaha. Then Vayam. 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 Yuyam. Yuyam. Okay? Alright. Dhenavaha. Vatsebhyaha. Kshiram. Vitaranti. Dhenavaha. Vatsebhyaha. Kshiram. Vitaranti. Dhenuhu. Dhenavaha. We learnt in Ramaha Shabdaha.
Okay. Now this problem is recurring, so we will have to maybe look out for something else. We will look out for some other option. We will try to continue with this for some 10 more minutes, and then I will look out for some other option. Okay. And then see how it can be rectified. It is going on, getting disconnected in between. I have to reconnect with that. Alright. So, Saptamaha Padhaha we started, and you can read the Saptamaha Padhaha. Now it is okay only, Rameshji, but what happens is after 5 minutes it goes away. That is the only problem. So, I will have to see why it is happening, and then we will sort it out as to how to resolve the issue. Okay? And then we will see. So, Dhyanuhu, Dhenavaha. I was telling you about Akaranta Shabdaha. Ana, Alendar, Ramaha, Krishnaha, Mohanaha, Balakaha. Idella Akaranta. Similarly, Lata, Akaranta Shabdaha. Okay. Now, Dhenu, so what do we call them? Ukaranta Shabdaha. Okay, we call them as Ukaranta Shabdaha. So, how do we say Ukaranta Shabdaha? Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. We say Dhenavaha. Okay. Now, Dhenu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha, that Shabda is only used in this Saptamaha Padhaha. One Dhenu was the Dhenuhu, and if there are many, you say as Dhenavaha. Dhenavaha. Say all of you, Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Okay. So, here, what are the doing? The Dhenavaha, Vitaranti. Dhenavaha, Vatsebhyaha, Kshiram, Vitaranti. Vitaranti, na? Giving. Vitaranti, giving. Dhenavaha, Kim Kurvanti, what are they doing? Kshiram, Vitaranti. They are giving Kshiram, Dugdham, milk. For whom? For whom? Vatsebhyaha. Vatsebhyaha. Vatsara nasane. Kolanda. The Kalikuti. So, for the Kalikuti, for the Vatsa. Apo for the meaning mandadana. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti, how it goes? Vatsaya. Vatsabhyam. Vatsebhyaha. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, Aharaya, Aharabhyam, Aharebhyaha. So, Vatsebhyaha. So, here, Dhenavaha, Vitaranti. The cows are giving, distributing. What they are distributing? Kshiram. For whom? Vatsebhyaha. Who? Dhenavaha. Understand? Dhenavaha, Vatsebhyaha, Kshiram, Vitaranti. Is it clear? Now let's see the next one. Vyaghraha, Aharaya, Bhramyati. Vyaghraha, Aharaya, Bhramyati. Vyaghraha. We learned just now. Who is the Vyaghraha? Vyaghraha is the tiger. Aharaya, Ramaya, Vatsaya. So, adi Chaturthi Vibhakti. For Bhojanam. Aharam na Bhojanam. We know it in Tamil also we use. Yeah. So, Aharaya for Bhojanam. For Aharam. Bhramyati. He wanders. He roams around. He goes here and there. That is Bhramyati. Understand? Vyaghraha, Aharaya, Bhramyati. Okay? Now, Balikaha, girls, Bahuvachanam, Balikaha, Adhyayanaya. In the number 2, Aharaya, same here, Adhyayanaya, for learning, for Adhyayanam, for education, for studying, Pathalayam Gachanti. gachanti. Where? Balikaah gachanti. The girls go. Where they go? Pathalayam gachanti. For what they are going? Adhyayanaya. So for what do we use? Naya, Aya, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Aharaya, Aharabhyam, Aharebhyah, Adhyayanaya, Adhyayanabhyam, Adhyayanebhyah, Vatsyaya, Vatsabhyah, Vatsebhyah. Understand? Okay. Then Balakaah, in the Balikaah. Next Balakaah. Pushpaya, for Pushpa. Pushpaya, Udyanam Vrajanti. Udyanam Vrajanti. Udyanam na inasamina. Udyanam means garden. Udyanam, garden. Vrajanti, gachanti. Vrajanti also, gachanti only. So, Balakaah, Pushpaya, Udyanam, Vrajanti. For Pushpam. Vayam, now we, Vayam. Jalaya Nadim Gacchamaha. Vayam Gacchamaha. Inga pargo Balakaah Vrajanti. Balikaah Gachanti. Dhenaah Vitaranti. Ana Vayam Namanda in Gacchamaha. By now you would have understood. Why Gacchamaha? Vayam Uttama Purushaha. So it becomes Gacchamaha. Uttama Purusha Bhavachana. Vayam Putra Gacchamaha. Nadi Gacchamaha. Nadi became Nadi Gacchamaha. Nadi Gacchamaha. Kimartham? For what we go to Nadi? Jalaya. Supposing you go for Snanam to Nadi. What do you say? Snanaya. Okay. So Vayam Jalaya Nadi Gacchamaha. Understand? Now see the next sentence. Yoram. It is neither Ji or Vyaghra or Dhenamaha. It is neither Aham or Vayam. It is Yuyam. So Enna Purushaha, Madhyama Purusha. That too Bahuvachan. Yam Yam Ashrebhyaha Trinam Yachatha. Yachata. Yachati na gives. Yachati na gives. Inga Vitaranti Pachalya. Ade Medita Yachata. Yachati, Yachataha, Yachanti. You can write that also. Namanadu, in the beginning of the class, I told you, write 2 dhatu every day. So now you can add this dhatu also. Yachati. Yachati means give. Giving. Okay? Yachati. Apa Yuyam. So you learned in Pathati, Pathasi, Pathatha, Pathatha, Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Similarly, Yachati, Yachataha, Yachatha, Yachasi, Yachatha, Yachatha. So Yuyam, Trinam Yachatha. Yenna kudikire? Trinam. You know Trinam? Grass. For who? For Ashvebhyaha. Ashwana, Pacholya, Ashvaha, horse. Ashvaha, horse. For one horse, no. For many. So Ashvebhyaha. If it is one horse, what we will say? Ashvaya, Aharaya, Adhyayanaya, Pushpaya, Jalaya. Ekavachanatla. Bahuvachanam, Ashvebhyaha. Vatsebhyaha. So Ashvebhyaha, Trinam Yachatha. So now you understand fourth with the Chaturthi Vibhakti why we use? Good. Vayam, again Uttama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Vayam Jnanaya Pathamaha. நம்ம எல்லாரும் படிக்கிறோம். Vayam Pathamaha. Kimartham? எதுக்கு? சும்மா பொழுதுபோக்கவா? No. Certificate வாங்கிக்கவா? No. Why do we learn? Jnanaya. For getting knowledge. So Jnanaya. So for. This is not Chaturthi. Now you got it in your mind? Jnanaya, Jnanabhya, Jnanebhya, Jnanaya Pathamaha. No, next, Janaha, Janaha, Dhanaya, for money, wealth, Deshantaram Gachanti. Tanodu Deshatta vittu innundu Desham, Deshantaram, Desham Gachanti. Ilya, Janaha, Dhanaya, Deshantaram Gachanti. Inga Gachanti irukku. Why? Janaha. Understand? Now, next, Balaha, 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 Bahuvachanam. It could be either Pullinga or Strilinga. It could be balaha, balau, balaha, or it could be bala, bale, balaha. Anything we can take. Balaha vidyayai, for vidya. Now, in aya purtu araya, pushpaya, jalaya, adhyayanaya, dhanaya. Why it was aya? Because all the pullinga shabdam in an napumsakalingam. So aya. Now see here, vidya, strilinga shabdam. Right? So aya is what it will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti? Yai, vidyayai, latayai, kashayai. Okay, umayai. Okay. Anything which is strilinga, yai, all. Bala vidyayai, dhanam yachanti. Dhanam yachanti. Yachanti, they give. Understand all of you? Okay? Oh, very nice. Now, I would like to give you a few words from this lesson as dictation. Please write it. Please write it. If you can hear, listen, understand, then you will take it as a dictation. If you have any doubt, you can always look at your Samhita Baladasha. Understand? Now write. Saptamaha Pathaha. If you are able to write the word Saptamaha, I will be very happy. If not, also no problem. You can look at the book. Saptamaha Pathaha. Now first word. Dhenuhu. Dhenuhu. Ukaranta Shabdaha. Yeah. Okay. Next. Vyaghraha. You can look at it and see. Vyaghraha. Okay. Next word. Kshiram. Milk. And the new word is Durdham. Kshiram. Vatsaha. Vatsaha. You are able to write? Vatsaha. Okay. Now, the next word is Adhyayanam. Adhyayanam. Half dha. You can look at the book. You know how to write full dha. Dhanam dha is all, yeah. That you write half. Adhyayanam. Jnanam. Jnanam. Next. Dhanam. Dhanam. Vidya. Vidya. Next. Aharaha. Bhojan. Bhojan से aharaha. Aharaha. Next. Udyanam. Udyanam. Udya. You know Vidya. Udya. Udyanam. Pathalayah. Vidyalayah da Pathalayah. Pathalayah. Mayam. Yam. Understand? Very good. Now at home you write all these sentences. Dhenavaha vatsebhyaha kshiram vitaranti. Adale the last sentence. Balaha vidyayai dhanam yachanti. Write all these sentences. Okay? Understand? Now go back to the page where I dictated. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha. Ramam Ramau Raman. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Tritiya Vibhakti is that you had written right. Now the Chaturthi Vibhakti, fourth Vibhakti. Write it now below that. Ramaya. Ekvachanatla. Ramaya. Ramabhyam. Ramabhyam. And Bahuvachanam. Ramebhyaha. Inge Vatsebhyaha. Ellarkum Vatsebhyaha. Adhe madri Ramebhyaha. Ramaya. Ramabhyam. Ramebhyaha. Now same thing you come to Strilinga. What did you write? Lata. Right? Lata, late, lataha. You wrote latam, late, lataha. Lataya, latabhyam, latabhihi. Now write the fourth Vibhakti. What is fourth? Latayai. Last sentence Vijayai Pacholia. Similar to that. Latayai. Dvivachanam. Latabhyam. Latabhyam. And Bahuvachanam. Latabhyaha. Latabhyaha. In Pullingam, it became Ramebhyaha. In Strilingam, Latabhyaha. And Ebhyaha in the Abhyaha. Got it? Now, Napumsakalingam is same. Pushpam Pushpe, Pushpani, Innalinga, Kamalama, Pushpama, Shakatam. Right. Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani, Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani, Shakatena, Shakatabhyam, Shakataihi. You wrote it here, right? Chaturthi. Shakataya, Ramaya Madhye. Shakatabhyam, Ramabhyam Mariye. Ramebhyam Mariye, Shakatebhyam. So, how many vibhaktis we learned till now? Chaturthi, till Chaturthi vibhakti we have learned. Is it clear to all of you? We will do the exercise for this Saptamaha Patha in the next class. But all of you be thorough with the words. Thorough with Chaturthi vibhakti. Thorough with Latlakara, the Vartamana Kala Rupa. Okay, next class I will take a test. An oral test only. Question or very parichala nothing. Just a test, oral test. Based on Kriyapadam. Adade, Latlakara, Vartamana Kala. I will give one Dhatu Rupa. You write the Latlakara and add any Karta to it. Understand? Okay? So be prepared for it. Okay? So every day write 2 Dhatu. So many Dhatu we learned, no? So many Kriyapadam. Dhatu na verbs. Adellati Vartamana Kala. Okay? Every day you must write. Then only it will get by hearted. Alright? Okay. So now shall we revise once more the Subhajitam we learned in the beginning? Okay. So you can just repeat after me, or I have sent you in the WhatsApp, or maybe I will just share it with you. That 1 minute, I will share it with you. That Subhajitam. So you can see it, I suppose. Okay. Okay. Now you are able to hear? I suppose you are able to hear. Okay. All right. I will repeat the Subhajitam for you once again. Okay. Now is it there? Now you are able to hear me? I hope so. Okay. I am Nija Paroveti Ganana Laghujetasam Udara Jaritanam So Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Read this Subhajitam every day. But now we say the Shanti Mantram. Always when you leave from the classroom, please say the Shanti Mantram and leave. Don't just leave in between. Okay? Always in our Parampara, we begin with a Prarthana, end with a Shanti Mantram. Okay? We say it. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्याय्येन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवादः। पुनर्मिलामः। शुभदिनम्।